So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to add your YouTube gallery to your Wix website. So first of all, you will have to come on this website called elfsight.com, and after coming on this website, you'll click on this widget option, and in the video section, you'll click on this YouTube gallery option. And after coming on this page, you can find a bunch of templates here, and after choosing your favorite one, you can click on this option called continue with this template. And after that, you can also add your YouTube channel to showcase your content to your website. And after that, you can also customize your layout and however you like to showcase on your website. And after customizing your YouTube gallery, you can click on add to your website. After that, you have to sign up to your elfsight account. And after that, you will just click on the save button, and you can choose whichever subscription you like. I'll go with this one. And the code is there. You just have to click on it and the code is copied. And now come to editor.wix.com and click on add elements. After that, in the embed code option, you'll go with the embedded HTML and paste the code you have just copied in this box and click on update button. And as you can see guys, my YouTube channel is here and I can customize it on my Wix website however I like. So if you find this video interesting and helpful to yourself, then please subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching.